ganun yung amount kasi it was based on, kaya nga ganun yung amount because it was based on planning. Kung ano yung buwan-buwan na trabaho. Diba? I mean, why was not the request 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion of confidential funds? Why was it 500 million? Kasi yun yung planning sa trabaho. Why was it 150? Sino magnanakaw ng 150 ngayon? Magkano na nanakaw ng mga congressman ninyo?
Naku po, Naku po, ma'am, sa totoo lang, nagtatrabaho po ako sa gobyerno. Dati, hindi ko na kinaya. Hindi ko na po talaga kinaya yung bad government. Kaya po talaga nag-resign ako. Ganun pa man, no?